Do you love the peaceful sounds of nature and seeing trees when you look outside your window every day? Then I have the house for you. You are going to love this backyard oasis filled with mature trees overlooking a horse pasture. Enjoy a swim in the above-ground pool or take a nature walk on your own property. There is tons of room for the kids to play here. With a gentle creek rolling through the almost 2 acres of lush green space, this yard is sure to please. Inside this renovated bungalow, you'll find an open concept kitchen with an oversized island with seating, perfect for entertaining guests. The bonus sunroom would make a perfect living room area for lounging and overlooking your beautiful backyard. Down the hall, we've got 3 bedrooms with lots of natural light and an updated 3-piece bathroom. For more information on this listing or to book your own private tour, call me direct at 905-359-2122.